What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create custom stickers in WhatsApp. Custom stickers are a fantastic way to personalize your conversations, making them more fun and expressive. Whether you want to turn your photos into stickers or use memes and other images, creating custom stickers allows you to communicate uniquely and creatively. First off, it's essential to have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your phone, since the custom sticker feature was introduced in a recent update. To check if you're up to date, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, tap on the search icon and type in WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap on it to get the latest version. If it just says open, you're all set. Once you've updated WhatsApp, open the app and select any chat to start. To access the sticker creation tool, bring up your keyboard and then the sticker panel. Here, you'll find a few options to create stickers. Tap on Create to get started. You can either choose a photo from your library or generate custom AI stickers. Selecting a photo from your library, WhatsApp will automatically detect and crop the primary object to create your sticker. After selecting your image, WhatsApp offers several editing tools to customize your sticker. You can add text, emojis, or even layer stickers on top of your original sticker to enhance it. These tools allow for a wide range of creativity, enabling you to create truly personalized stickers for your conversations. Once you are satisfied with your custom sticker, simply tap on the send arrow icon in the lower right corner to add it to your sticker collection. Now, you can easily use your custom stickers in any conversation, adding a personal touch to your messages. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.